how to turn on margin investing on Robinhood. So I've been trading with Robinhood for quite some time, and I'm actually considering using some of my margin on my Robinhood account. So that's why I decided to make this video talking about how to turn on margin investing on Robinhood. But hey, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So I'm going to show you guys in the app, but real quickly, on the screen right now will be my current portfolio. So this is my current portfolio right now, and this is live as of the making of this particular video. The stock market is open as I'm making the video, and as you can see, my portfolio is fluctuating. Currently I'm up $2,000, which is pretty cool. It's always exciting to be up, and I'm overall up, which is very, very exciting. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that just to kind of give you a sneak peek to what's going on inside my portfolio. Anyway, I have a screen recording going here on my iPhone, and I'm gonna go ahead and touch on the Robinhood app, Face ID. Okay, so we're looking at my portfolio right now inside the Robinhood app. One of the things to keep your eyes on is the fact that right now my buying power is $2,002.39. As you guys can see that, the buying power. And so when I turn on margin investing, you're gonna see that my buying power is going to change drastically, okay? So basically with margin investing, your brokerage will allow you to borrow or use money based on your portfolio and based on certain things about your portfolio, like the risks involved in your portfolio and the stability of your portfolio. Okay, there's a lot of details that go into how they determine just exactly how much money you're going to be able to use as far as margin is concerned, and the amount that you can use can vary. Your daily amount on margin could be a lot different, like your day trade amount could be a lot different versus the amount of money that you can use to buy some more shares. So what I'm going to do is on the app, I'm going to touch on the bottom right on the person on the screen, then I'm going to touch the top right, the little three lines, and then I'm going to touch on investing. And then I'm going to scroll down here. In order to turn margin on, you actually need to be a part of Robinhood Gold. So Robinhood Gold is $5 a month. You would need to have that in order to have access to margin investing. So I'm going to scroll down here. And as you guys can see on the iPhone, it has enable margin investing. So I'll touch those words, and they're telling you that there's a flat 2.5% interest rate. And you pay this every 30 days, which is pretty straightforward. And then they're telling you about the $1,000 that you have included. It says your first $1,000 of margin is included. You only pay interest on the amount you owe over $1,000. Okay, so I'm going to click at the bottom of the screen where it says enable margin investing. And then it's going to verify your account, check your investment profile, and then it's confirming my account balance. And then right here, it says that the amount of margin that I have available is $301,944.54. Now, once again, this is based on whatever algorithm Robinhood uses to decide just how much money that I'm going to be able to use as far as margin investing is concerned. So as you guys can see on the screen, it says my buying power, once I confirm, will be $303,946.93. Just real quickly, my buying balance was $2,000. Let me just show you guys that real quick. Let me just back out of this real quick just to show you. So my buying power right here is $2,002.39. Then I'm going to click on the person at the bottom of the screen again, investing again, scroll down to margin investing, and then I'll enable margin investing. Enable margin investing. They're going to verify the account, check investment portfolio, blah, blah, blah. And now we're back to this screen. So I'm going to click on confirm. And when you do that, as you can see here, it says there is different things here. So far I've used no dollars in regards to margin. So I haven't used anything, right? Because I'm enabling it right now. Then they have a margin maintenance, which I'm not exactly sure what that means, but it has $98,000 there. And then of course it says today's day trade limit. Now I'm not going to be using margin to do day trade, but as you can see, it has $853,000. Clearly not going to use that. Okay, so pretty much margin investing is enabled right now. So when I go back to my account, you'll now see my buying power is $303,946.93. Okay, but I'm not investing that amount. You can still see my investing is still $287,000, but I do have the ability to spend up to $303,000. Now, I'm not going to do that. I think probably one of the best practices to do when it comes to margin investing is probably invest anywhere from 20 to 40% of your available margin. So for me personally, 40% of $303,000 would be, if I'm on the high side, 40% of that would be $121,000. Okay. Now I am considering using margin to expand my position with Apple. So, and I should have done this earlier, of course, because of course Apple went up $2. Of course they did, because the stock market always does the opposite once I decide to do something. So Apple went up quite a bit today, but my average cost with Apple is $126.68. And I really want to double my position with Apple. Okay, so right now Apple's trading for 174. Let's do some easy math. Let's do 174 just to make it easy times 626 shares. Because that's how many shares I have now. I would spend $108,000. So I am considering using margin to expand my position with Robinhood. So if I basically do, let's see, 126. Let's say my average cost was 126, and then for easy math, let's say Apple's trading for 174. Let's see what my price will be. So we have 126 plus 174, and then we're going to divide that by 2, which is going to now make my average cost jump from 126 to about 150, 151, which is not a bad thing since Apple is trading right now for 174. But I'm gonna hold off and wait for it to come down, because I know that Apple is up right now $2.76 or 74 cents. It's gonna fluctuate. As of the making of this video, I know that, okay, it's up today and it might be down tomorrow. It might go up tomorrow, but I know for sure it's going to come back down a couple of dollars. So I'm going to wait before deciding to expand my position with Apple. But that's kind of how I'm planning on using it, because I do want to double down with Apple. As you guys can see on my phone here, my total return with Apple is I'm up 37%. Which happens to be $29,000, okay? And I think I've started to invest with Apple. Let me show you the first time that I bought some shares with Apple. Let me scroll down here and show you my buying history. So I'll click on Show More, and I'll click on Orders and show you the very first time that I bought, which was back August 31st, 2020 was when I bought. So basically like a year and some change, I'm up 30-something%. Which is really, really good. I'm up 37%, which is $29,000. That's incredible. So Apple is one of those stocks that's a pretty solid company, and that's kind of why I'm considering using margin investing in regards to Apple. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. I wanted to just show you guys how to enable margin investing on the Robinhood app, just in case you guys are wondering. Of course, I will be making other videos. Probably gonna end up pulling the trigger on this, especially in regards to expanding my position with Apple. That's kind of my goal. I'm trying to be patient to see if I can time the market, which we know is like darn near impossible, but we all are, we all try to do our best in timing. I should just buy it. Like I should have just bought it yesterday when Apple was trading for like 171 and some change, but I did not. And I wanted to make a video showing you guys, so that's another reason why I didn't buy it. All right, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. Once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.